When we wake up, we say a prayer, Alhamdulillahillazi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilayhi an-nushur. Huzur, could you please explain ahyana ba'dama amatana?
Huzur, she asked about the prayer when we get up after the sleep. After saying that prayer, he said, what is the real meaning of ahyana ba'dama amatana?
You see, the death is a temporary process which happens during sleep. And the Holy Quran refers to it in a separate verse as well. So everybody who goes to sleep, practically he is traveling towards death. And those whose death is ordained, their souls are kept by God. They never return. And those who are given temporary rest during sleep, it is similar to death, but not death itself. So they are kicked back to life again and again. This is a well-established scientific process which has been referred to in the Holy Quran. So that is why when you get up, you say, Alhamdulillah, new life, new day and new life God has granted us. Otherwise you might have sunk down to death during our sleep. This is it.